Hey everyone! In this video, we'll reveal the top 7 most in-demand AWS certifications, complete with exam codes and real-world career advice to help you choose the right path. Welcome to Dumpsarena, for free guides, tips, and study material available. Huge demandable exam number 1 is foundational level. AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. Exam code is CLFC02. Exam number 2. Associate level. AWS Certified Solutions Architect, Associate. Exam code SAAC03. Exam number 3. AWS Certified Developer, Associate. Exam code DVAC02. Exam number 4. AWS Certified SysOps Administrator, Associate. Exam code SOAC02. Exam number 5. Professional level. AWS Certified Solutions Architect, Professional. Exam code SAPC02. Exam number 6. AWS Certified DevOps Engineer, Professional. Exam code DOPC02. Exam number 7. AWS Certified Security, Specialty. Exam code SCSC02. Pass high ROI certifications, top 3 in 2025, with Dumpsarena Study Guide. Pass exam in first try, just type www.dumpsarena.co.